Cool. So now we're going to learn database stuff first. So I'm just going to go down to databases here, and we're learning some new vocabulary words. Come on, baby. So we saw how to create a database. We've already seen that. I'll come back to that in a second. You can see right now, what database am I in? Movie rentals, right? If I want to list all my databases, that's the next vocabulary word, \L. Okay, \L lists all my databases. They're all my databases. I have movie rentals, I have Postgres, I have template 0, I have template 1. I have 4 databases. So they're all my databases. If I want to connect to a database, it's \C and then the database name. So right now I'm in movie rentals, but I saw that there is, I don't know, template 1, right? So if I want to connect to template 1, \C, template, and 1. So I'm now connected to template 1, and you can see that that's changed here. If I want to exit a database, it's \Q. Let's just find out what happens. Process complete. I'm all done. So I got to restart this. Now if I list my databases, there they all are. And if I want to drop a database, the command for that is drop database and name. So I want to drop database and movie rentals. And now if I list those, movie rentals is no longer in there. So if I want to create a database, right? I just created it, so if I list them, movie rentals is now there. So those are our new vocabulary words. Create database, DB name, list database, \L, connect to database, \C, DB name, and exit database, \Q. Now you notice that sometimes I have a semicolon, sometimes I don't. What happens if I try this? \L list, but if I add a semicolon to it, nope, doesn't like it. All right? But it suggests I could ask help, right? So \, asks for help, and then it gives me a list of different stuff. So a whole lot of different things I could type in and learn about, including the !, which allows me to execute a command. So you can learn just by kind of paying attention to what comes back, right? It said check out help, so I looked at help and I saw there's a bunch of commands in there I could use. But here are the vocabularies you're learning about databases. Create database, \L, \C, DB name, \Q, exit database, and drop database. One important caveat, you cannot drop a database that has any open connections, including your own database, so leave that database, switch to a different database to drop it. Okay? Anybody have questions? Simple, yeah? You have a reference, you just kind of look it up until you no longer need to look it up.